travelers. Welcome, Billy. Right this way.
Thank you.
Your station will be here. Come all the way in. Station's right here. Thank you. I know. It's a little, well, a lot. But to us, it is everything. Little by little, you'll get to know us. You may call me Kendrick. We've been waiting a very long time for this moment. And now you're here. So who are we? We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics from forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets, wherever we find these relics, and then we bring them here to the workshop. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk. I'd like to clarify something. Some of this is new junk. So where a stormtrooper sees worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure a future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yeah. Well, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? What's her name? Rey. Where she is leading is the spark of hope we've been waiting for, which is why we're here, to look forward, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and some of our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. Building a lightsaber is a journey. And the force will flow between you and your lightsaber. But enough talk. Let's begin. We start with the most important element of any lightsaber, which is the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some call the crystal the heart of the lightsaber. Now, the color of the crystal determines the color of the blade. You may know these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red. It has been called the color of power. The crystal of Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, Darth Maul, and now Kylo Ren. But these are stories of the past. We're here for you. Our future. Now it is time to choose your kyber crystal. Everyone close your eyes and take a deep breath and let it out. Now I want you to picture it in your mind. Which color is calling to you? What color do you see? Now, which color is yours? In your mind's eye, I want you to choose now. Choose that crystal. And remember, it is equally likely that the crystal is choosing you. Now open your eyes and take your crystal. Well done, everyone. You've chosen your kind of crystal. Now set it right here. This young man set it on the crystal holder in front of you. Well done. Now it's time to join your crystal with the saber design that you have selected. We begin by building a hilt, which is the center of your control. And it's also the place that keeps your hands from being disintegrated. Now inside these boxes you'll find the lightsaber components that you have chosen.
So we're going to take the private crystal and insert it into that's first. We're going to take the private crystal and insert it to the center of your chassis. That is going to be what you see a little circle, you'll put the coin in and then put a little pressure. And then once you insert it, it should light up the color of your crystal as well as sync. There's a little bit of a circle, either one, into that little circle. So I'm going to guide it in, so I can put a little pressure because there's a little bit of a spring on the top line. Perfect. Does it spin? Perfect. Alright. And then the next step, what you're going to do is move on to your activation plate. You choose either one of the pairs. You'll see on the inside that there is a red square and a blue square that will coincide with the red and blue square that we have here on the chassis. Do you need assistance with this? Just about done. Yeah, sometimes you go a little there it goes. Sorry. And so the next step you'll do is choose either of the pairs of activation plates. There's a red square and a blue square on the inside, and that will match up with the red square and blue square on your chassis. So 1/6, because they're pairs. And then the next step what you're going to do is choose any two of the 4 grips that you have there. There will be one on the top, one on the bottom, and the wide part will go towards the activation pins.
Now, of course, after our chassis, we also have a set of 4 grips. What we're going to do is, as long as you make sure to remember that there are noticeable rings on at least one of the sides of your grips, to go ahead, move towards the center. As long as you go ahead and twist to the right, go ahead and lock it in place.
Yeah, just need a little bit of Alright, so the next step that you'll do is choose any two of the 4 grips. One will be on the top, one will be on the bottom, just at the top here. And then the wider part will go towards the activation. So that's the wider part. Okay. It's a little bit
Now the easy step.
And then it takes a little bit of a extra
It's okay. I mean, I guess it works. Whichever one you want to choose for the top.
So if you do a little pressure and then it should. So that typically lines up better if you hold it upside down. It will be easier to turn to spin it over.
Supposed to be straight down like that?
It doesn't matter which way, because each of these scrap metal parts are a little bit different, so they're gonna line up a little bit different. So you knew exactly what you wanted.
That's the one.
Yeah,
That looks like the one, right? That looks like the one. Feels like the one.
Peace and justice, power and control, elements of nature, protection against businesses. Dangerous part of our build, which is stabilizing the crystal for activation. If everyone would step back away from your station, please. The builders, the gatherers are placing your hilts into the crystal stabilization chamber. This is a dangerous process. If the emitter is inverted, you have combustion. All right, everyone, we've reached the final stage.
With many hearts you began, yes. With the heart of the silver they are joining, much more they will become. It's time.
Master Yoda. Indeed, it is time to take our first step. The bond between Saber and Wilder is about to be forged. In a moment, I will ask you to step forward and place your hands on your completed hilts, and then all together, we will activate. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then step forward. Place your hands on the hilt. And activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too could change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Please deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose the path it cannot, but light your way, it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your lightsaber, we are pleased to provide a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at hand, your journey is just beginning. It is time to get your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are just as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you created. And who knows, perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Kill the Spire!
The Spire.